Listen up, class. I am Sister Mary Elephant. Shut up! Thank you. Let's listen to the official Sister Mary Elephant. That damn nun. She gets none. Laugh out loud.
Hey, business owner. Tired of wasting hours on scheduling, attendance, and payroll?
Connect Team. It's like Square POS, only on Halloween.
Refill themselves, handling conflicts and tracking availability while updating the right people about.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, class.
Class.
Class. Shut up! Thank you.
As you know, your regular teacher, Sister Rosetta Stone.
Sister Rosetta Stone, she's teaching us languages.
She does send
Like
her
Arabic.
and these finger paintings and dust cloths she's making. I am your substitute teacher,
Sister Mary Elephant.
Attention, class.
Attention, class. Shut up!
Thank you. Young man.
Young man,
Now give me that knife.
give me that knife.
Thank you.
Thank you. Right in the window.
Class, you all know who I am, so let's find out who you are.
Where's the bathroom? This bean burrito just went right through me. I'm gonna have to leave. Come on, cheeks. I gotta get to the bathroom.